The hungriest beast of them all on this blog is our photo of the day. It consumes hundreds of images every month, and it has been doing so for over 8 years. Today, we have one of the coolest pictures for a while. Just look at that NSV machine gun hammering those 12 7 by 108 mm rounds. In Finland, it's called the 12 7 ITKK 96. Below, a Finnish soldier with Vasa Coastal Battalion firing a 12 7 NSV machine gun. U.S. Marine Corps CPL. A Finnish soldier with Vasa Coastal Battalion fires the 12 7 NSV machine gun. I too on a beach and a machine gun. Prepared to be seasick in 3, 2, 1, below you see U.S. Marine Corps CPL. Reloading. U.S. Marines with Combat Logistics Battalion 6, Combat Logistics Regiment 2, 2nd Marine Logistics Group, and Finnish soldiers with Vasa Coastal Battalion, prepare and stage 50 caliber ammunition. Remember to always wear tactical sunglasses, even in Finland in the autumn. So how cool was the 12 7 mm NSV on a scale from 1 to 10? Rate it in the comments below. Photos and captions. Lance Corporal Mashak Hilton, U.S. Marine Corps Forces, Europe and Africa.